Hey everyone, and welcome back to Best Tendency. Stop sitting on cold rocks and wet logs. If you're searching for the best backpacking chair, you know that comfort is the ultimate trail reward. But with so many options, which one actually survives the wilderness? Today, we're cutting through the noise to bring you an ultralight camp chair review of the top 7 contenders on the market. We've hunted down the lightest backpacking chair, the most popular budget picks, and the best ultralight camp chair for tall hikers. We're jumping straight into the list to find your perfect trail seat. Let's get into it. If you're interested after watching this review, you can find the live price update and the purchase link with the best deal on Amazon in the description below. Number 1. CLIQ Portable Chair 1.0, the king of compactness. If your main priority is saving space, the CLIQ Portable Chair version 1.0 is the most popular choice for a reason. This is the famous bottle-sized camp chair that shrinks down to nearly the size of a 1-liter water bottle, making it the best portable chair for crowded packs. Built with aircraft-grade aluminum, it supports a massive 300 pounds capacity while setting up in just 15 seconds. The pros: its tip-proof design and rapid-fire setup are unbeatable for outdoor adventures or sideline sports. The cons: at 3.65 pounds, it's not the absolute lightest, and some users find the value-to-weight ratio a bit steep. However, for a compact backpacking chair that fits in a bottle cage, nothing else comes close. Number 2. Helinox Chair 1, the lightweight legend. Next is the industry icon, the Helinox Chair 1. This is widely regarded as the best camp chair for serious thru-hikers who demand the lightest backpacking chair possible without breaking it. Weighing only 2 pounds, it's lighter than a bottle of wine but supports up to 320 pounds. The pros: the 600 weave ripstop polyester and 5-year warranty make this a top-rated investment. The cons: it sits low at 10 inches, which might be a struggle for a tall person. The verdict: if you want the best ultralight camp chair that has been trail-tested for a decade, Helinox is the gold standard of travel chairs. Number 3. Marchway Highback, the ergonomic master. For those who need actual back support, the Marchway lightweight folding highback is a game-changer. Most backpacking chairs stop at your mid-back, but this collapsible trekking seat features a full headrest. The pros: it's a budget-friendly, affordable option that offers luxury comfort for your neck and shoulders, supporting 330 pounds. The cons: it's slightly bulkier when folded compared to the CLIQ. The verdict: this is the best compact chair for long nights by the campfire where you actually want to lean back and relax after a 15-mile day. Number 4. One Tigris Tiger Blade, the heavy-duty workhorse. If you're a buy-it-once, use-it-forever type of person, the One Tigris Tiger Blade is the best ultralight camp chair for durability. Utilizing 7075 aluminum alloy and 600D polyester, it's built like a tank but weighs only 2.9 pounds. The pros: it features a highly stable triangle structure that feels much more secure than cheaper knockoffs. The cons: the feet are a bit small, so it can sink into soft mud. The verdict: it's a top-selling on Amazon favorite for anglers and hikers who need a lightweight backpacking chair that can survive rugged terrain. If you're finding value in this breakdown and want to see more of the best products for your outdoor kit, hit that like button and subscribe to join our adventure community. Number 5. Moon Lence Plus, the big guy specialist. Finding an ultralight backpacking chair for big guys used to be impossible, but the Moon Lence Portable Camping Chair Plus changed the game. It features an upgraded 22-inch widened seat and a reinforced frame. The pros: with a 330 pounds capacity and extra hip room, it's the most comfortable folding travel chair for larger frames. It even includes a side mesh pocket for your gear. The cons: it can be a bit of a puzzle to fit back into the carry bag. The verdict: this is the best portable chair for anyone who feels squeezed by standard ultralight designs. Number 6. Naturehike YL08, the budget speedster. The Naturehike YL08 is the best customer review champion for those who want high-end performance at an affordable price. Weighing just 2.38 pounds, it features anti-sinking feet, a rarity at this price point. The pros: It's an optimized ultralight backpacking chair that sets up in 15 seconds and stays stable on sand or dirt. The cons. The initial assembly can be tight until the fabric stretches. The verdict. It's the best camp chair for hikers on a budget who still want a lightweight, professional-grade seat. Number 7. iClimb Square Frame, the ultimate sand expert. Rounding out our list is the iClimb Ultralight Compact Chair, the definitive beach chair for backpackers. Its unique square frame and large, detachable feet mean you'll never sink into the sand again. The pros. It's incredibly light at 2.2 pounds and features a 330 pounds capacity with a built-in cup holder. The cons. Some users report the durability isn't as high as the Helinox. The verdict. If your outdoor adventures involve beaches or soft meadows, this is the best portable chair to keep you high and dry. Thanks for watching our top 7 backpacking chair review. We've put the links to all these top-selling chairs in the description below so you can check the current prices. If this video helped you pick your next piece of gear, please like and subscribe for more exciting, honest gear reviews. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. We have some incredible trekking gear coming up in the next video. See you on the trail.